are shaping the leaders of tomorrow at B2B of Multiverse Training and Learning. Our youth leadership development programs are crafted to build self-confidence, critical thinking, and leadership skills in the next generation. Our Future Leaders program is specifically designed for young learners. It's all about helping them build the skills they need to become future leaders in their communities and workplaces. From self-confidence to critical thinking, we focus on empowering the next generation to lead with purpose. Through hands-on learning and real-world challenges, we help young minds develop the leadership qualities needed to make an impact, whether in school, their community, or their future career. Our entrepreneurship and innovation training inspires young learners to explore entrepreneurship, innovative thinking, and creativity. We prepare them for the rapidly evolving marketplace by teaching them how to develop and execute business ideas. Whether they dream of starting their own business or creating the next big idea, my programs equip young people with the tools and mindset they need to succeed in the modern world. We also offer teen development and parenting skills programs to help families navigate the developmental stages of adolescence. Through expert guidance, we improve communication and foster emotional intelligence, helping parents and teens grow together. Our workshops strengthen family bonds, improve communication, and provide practical solutions for resolving conflicts, creating a supportive family environment. At B2B, we are not just building leaders, we're building better relationships, stronger families, and brighter futures. Join our youth leadership development programs today and help your teen thrive. Contact us now to learn more.